morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is how to find the middle term in the AP series if the series is given. So let's continue with the same. Chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. In this we are going to find how to calculate the middle term. First of all, I just want to tell you one thing. Middle term can be calculated if the series is given in a finite number of terms. Means if the series will be terminated after some points or after some terms. If the series will be turned to infinity, if it will goes to infinity, then we can't find out the middle term, because we don't know that it will, if it will go to infinity, we can't say that which term will be the middle term. So middle term question can be asked if the series will be finite. Now how to find out the middle term? In your class, if you are 21 students, so roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and the last roll number is 21. So you are odd in numbers. Odd in numbers means you are 21 in numbers. So here one term will be the middle term. Fine, that you have already done in calculating the median also. But if in a class you are 22 in number, so 22 is an even number. So in the case of even number, there will be two middle terms. Fine. So for just to explain it in a better way, I am just going to take one example so that it will be more clear to you. Here I have taken one example. Find the middle term of the AP, and the AP is 6, 13, 20 and so on. If I will leave the AP here only, then we can't find out the middle term. Even they will not ask these types of question, because no one can find out the middle term, because it will goes to infinity. So they just have terminated it at the last term, and the last term is 216. So I already explained you, whenever the question will come, find the middle term. Focus on the n. If you can calculate n, means n ka even hona, odd hona, will tell us about the middle terms. So we first focus on the n. So now here a is equals to 6 and d is equals to a2 minus a1, that is equals to 13 minus 6 is equals to 5 is equals to 7. 13 minus 6 is equals to 7, and an means the last term is equals to 216. So as we have done in exercise 5.2 also, we are just going to start with the simple method. We are going to write an here. The formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an, what is the value of an they have given in the question? 216. A is equals to 6 and we don't know the value of n. What about d? D is 7. Don't focus on to find out the value of n. Find out the value of this bracket. It will make your calculation work more easy. Minus 6 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. We all know that when we will subtract, it will turn to 210. Now 7 is multiplied here. Now 7 will be in the division, n minus 1. 7, 30. This one will be here, plus 1 is equals to n. So therefore, what is the value of n here? N is equals to 31. So there are 31 terms in number. There are 31 terms in number. It means in your class 31 students are there. 31 is an odd number, so one term will be the middle term. And how will we calculate it? First write it down odd. This is odd number. Here n is equals to 31, and we all know that 31 is an odd number. Therefore middle term will be middle term. This is the formula to calculate the middle term, as we have calculated in the median, in the case of median also. 31, first let me write the formula. N plus 1 upon 2th term. N plus 1 upon 2th term. If the value of n is odd, then this will be the formula. So this formula is applicable only and only when n is even. When n is odd. So this formula is applicable only and only when n is equals to odd number. So middle term is equals to n plus 1 upon 2. N is 31 plus 1 upon 2 at term. We all know that 31 upon 2 is 32 upon 2 at term. You have to write this th because n is the position, as n is not any number, it is a position. So middle term is 16th term. Middle term will be 16th term. Don't leave your answer here. You have to calculate 16th term. What is the meaning of A16 term? A16 can be calculated by A plus 15D. Now what is the value of A? A is 6 plus 15 into 7. This will be 6 plus 105. Now the middle term will be 111. So your answer will be 111. So middle term can be calculated like 31st term will be the 31st is a number of terms, 31 are the number of terms, 16th is the middle term, and we have calculated the answer and the value of the middle term. This is the position of the middle term and this is 111 is the value of the middle term. Fine students. So this is all about when the n is odd. Now let me take one more example to find out when n is even. Let us consider this as 216. We know that the difference is of 7. So add 7 in this only. When you will add 7 in this, it will be 223. It will be 223. So let's solve the question by the same method. I have taken another question. Let it be one new question. So how will we calculate? A is equals to 16, D is equals to A2 minus A1 and 13 minus 1 7. Last term will be changed. Last term is 213 here. Now apply the formula of An. A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 223. A is 6. N minus 1 into 7. 223 minus 6 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. It is 200 when you will subtract 17. N minus 1 into 7. So 217 upon 7 is the value of n minus 1. 3 is a 1 is a. 31 is the value of n minus 1. Now n will be 32. So here in the class 32 students are there, means they are even in number. When n will be even, there will be always two middle terms. How will we calculate? Here n is equals to 32, that is even. So please apply the formula for the even. Therefore middle term will be is equals to n upon 2th term and n upon 2 plus 1th term. This will be the formula. So n upon 2 means 32 upon 2th term plus and not plus n. 32 plus 2 plus 1th term. So the answer will be 16th term and from here 17th term. So there will be two middle term. One is A16 that we have already calculated 111 and another is A17 that can be calculated by 16D, and we all know that if it is 111 then this will become 118 because the difference was of one number. So this will be our answer. So in the case of even number we are having two middle term and this will be the formula. So for finding the middle term, first we have to calculate the value of n. It all depends on the value of n, that it is even or it is odd. So I'm just going to write down the formula here. And the formula for calculating the middle term is, if you want to calculate the value of middle term in the AP series, then n is equals to odd number and here n is equals to even number. So if n is odd, middle term will be is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th term. And if it is even, then there will be two middle terms and the answer will be middle terms n upon 2th term and n upon 2 plus 1th term. Means जो term ये आएगी उससे एकदम next term will be the middle term. So this is the formula to calculate the middle term, and the value can be calculated by using the formula of an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is all about the middle term, and the topic is very important according to the exam point of view. So this will be the answer after calculating, and these two steps you have to follow. Clear students? That's all for today. Thank you students.